and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Today is Friday, December 3rd. And as I mentioned in a previous vlog, today will be pretty magical indeed. So stay tuned for that fun section of the vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed sort of my little productive morning glimpse. It's now lunchtime, so I'm going to get ready to actually head out right after I'm done with work today. So I'm going to get changed again. I put on like a comfy outfit for work today, but I'm going to get changed into some Disney attire because that is where we're heading this afternoon after I'm done with work. And I'm super stoked to be heading to Hollywood Studios because I have not seen the holiday decorations yet, and they're some of my favorites there because they're so vintage and all over the place. But I'll be happy to take you guys along, so let's go ride some rides, do some Christmas shopping, all of the fun things at Disney World. And in the holiday spirit, I have to wear my Disney Mickey Santa shirt because how could I not? He's got his little scarf and his little Santa hat on, and probably some jean shorts, and I'll probably have to bring a sweatshirt because it is a little chilly for later this evening, and I don't want to be cold if we stay for fireworks or whatever they have going on at Hollywood Studios at night now. So this is the outfit of the evening and afternoon, but then I'll be back at my desk for work, and then we'll be heading off to Hollywood Studios after that. We have made it to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Lots of long waits, but we're really just here for some shopping and some Christmas decorations. So let's go see what they've got in store for this season. Already got some beautiful vintage ornaments here at the main sign. But let's go get into this long line to get into the park. Again, we won't be here long, but the park hoppers are in full swing. The sky just keeps getting more pink. The sunset is viewable all over the park, but it looked especially beautiful by the Christmas tree. We're just going to take a lap around the park now. Star Tours is 5 minutes, but I'm really just here for the sunset. Wowee! Gonna go get some views of the sunset at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. But the crowds are a-hoppin' today at Hollywood Studios, and I believe Rise of the Resistance is down, so that means Millennium Falcon wait time has gone way up. Made it over to Toy Story Land. I don't see any Christmas decorations right now, but we do have Buzz lit up and all of the neon colorful lights throughout the land lit up, so it's very pretty. It's always so pretty here in the Mock Chinese Theater. Lots and lots of beautiful sculptures, artwork, and more. There will be ride spoilers ahead. Do not watch if you do not want more ride spoilers. Repeat, do not watch. the star of the show, this guy right here, my favorite character. Squeeze me, I move. I will not do that, but that's so cute. I do not know his name or her name, but I do love him. So it's our first time on Mickey's Runaway Railway. I loved it, way better than Remy. Your thoughts?
It was good. It was really, I mean, the screens were massive.
The screens were bigger than Remy's, I'd say.
A lot of times we'll go on rides like that and you can kind of see the edge of the screen, so it's not this like immersive. You look around and you're like, oh, well, you know, I can see the edge right there, and it's, you know, it's not, I mean, they're still massive screens, but these ones were like wall to wall, like
ceiling to floor.
Yeah. The only thing I wish was that we had gone to the front, because at the front they had that big smashing thing at the end, like where they take you to where you think you're gonna get in, like basically an incinerator or something like that.
Yeah.
But
we didn't have that.
When we were in the back, it basically was nothing. It just kind of looked like a line.
Yeah. But overall, 10 out of 10. I would ride again. And it was a shorter wait than was posted. We got in line when it said 75? 70.
Yeah, it was about 55.
And when we got to the door, it said 65.
I guess it's 55 since we've been out.
And yeah, and it's 55 when we got off the ride. So, a little bit of a lie. Or we got lucky. Either way, 10 out of 10. Hollywood Studios by far is my favorite one with Christmas decorations, as you guys have seen. And while we're only riding one ride tonight, which was a brand new ride for us, I'm just taking in the ambiance of all the lights and all the fun Christmassy spirited items while we may be sitting and playing Pokemon Go, which is fine. But we're going to end this evening out with some Christmas shopping, which I will not be showing everything here in a haul because I don't want my family to see, because I know they're watching. But let's go check out what's in the stores. And with that, we say goodbye to Hollywood Studios for the evening. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the park for a little bit. At least all of the decorations at nighttime were stunning. And it might be the last time I get to come before Christmas to Hollywood Studios, at least, because I haven't even been to the other parks really with all the Christmas decorations. But for now, I will talk to you guys when we get back home. Thank you again for joining us at Hollywood Studios. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of holiday magic, as well as the fun new ride at Hollywood Studios, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and we had a lot of fun. But happy Vlogmas Day 3. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed, but from me And Sleepy Poppy over there, we're calling it a night. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe because it is free and it helps me out a lot. And be sure to check out tomorrow's Vlogmas and the day after and the day after. And if you are behind, the playlist will be linked down below so you guys can just watch through all of the ones you may have missed. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.